And I got what you need right here. This smart voice recorder from a company called iFLYTEK. It has full offline transcription, and it also has long distance recordings equipped with 2 directional microphones and 4 omnidirectional microphones supporting recordings for up to 10 meters. It transcribes into 5 major languages. You hear that? It has intelligent noise reduction, secure data transfer, so you ain't got to worry about your data being insecure. It features 4 recording modes and is equipped with a high-performance 8-core processor for faster transcription speed. And it features a 2-inch touchscreen. It's packing 32 gigs of storage with the capacity to store approximately 175 hours of recordings. This would be perfect for you going to a conference or something like that. You're in class if you're a student. And like I said, links will be in the description box below. iFLYTEK, they knocked it out of the park again.